Okay, so let's talk about how do we identify whether or not we have motor windings that are shorted together. So again, if we measure between all three of the windings, the motor reading or the resistance readings should be the same. So if we measure between motor winding number 1 and motor winding number 2, we see about 8 ohms there. So if we measure between motor winding number 1 and motor winding number 3, we have 0.1 ohm. Okay, so considerably less. Now it's actually 0 ohms. And so what we found is that we've got a dead short between motor winding number 1 and motor winding number 2. We should see about 8 ohms there. We're not seeing any resistance. Those two windings are shorted together. Now in this case, we would probably want to take the cover off the motor connection box and perform the the resistance test right at the motor winding itself. There could be a problem with the wiring between the motor starter here and the motor, so we want to verify that it's not the wiring. And so the next step of our troubleshooting process would be to take the cover off the motor and perform the resistance test at the motor itself.